Hello everyone, I'm Manuel, I am from Italy. I've been thinking for lots of time if I should vlog in Italian or in English. I just chose in English because I think that the Italian audience that will follow me, which are interested in travels, will also speak English. But this will be more challenging for me because I'm not very fluent and used to talk in English, so hopefully I will learn. Please like and subscribe, you will encourage me a lot on posting new media on YouTube. I'm an entrepreneur. I worked for 15 years in Italy and now I decided to change life. This pandemic really opened my eyes on the value of time. I was spending all of my time chasing money and things. And so I realized that I should chase what really makes me happy. And I realized it's simple things like a sunny day like this one, or beautiful place, smiling people, enjoying my time, giving it a good value. I left everything behind, took one-way ticket to Bali and arrived here about 2 weeks ago. I decided to start this experience on YouTube. I have no idea where this is going and I have no idea where this channel could go. You may encourage me by commenting below and telling me what would you like to see, and I will try to film that for you to show an insight from this beautiful island. This is my first drone ever, and actually I have about 30 or 40 minutes of experience flying it. We took great videos, amazing footage on Uluwatu. The visuals are great even though I'm not experienced at all, so it's all credit to this little piece of technology. Today we want to show you this place, this beautiful guest house in Canggu, and I will start with a drone showing the pool. It's enough to know like 3 or 4 moves, and it's already enough to make awesome footage. Like even if you're totally inexperienced, like there's this one I like a lot, is the leveling up, I call it, like the rocket jump, and then there is it rises and goes backwards, and my favorite at all is the orbiting. And all these movements are built in this drone, so it's super easy. You just click on the subject and it will do basically all by itself. It's super nice. So let's get started. Come with me and let's fly this little thing. It's super hot today. It's insane heat. Right. So my cameraman is Daniela.
Yeah.
She's
Hi.
learning English. She's getting better and better every day, so soon she may also vlog with me in English. But
Yeah.
you can follow her vlogs in Italian, and pretty nice. So let's see if I remember how to turn on this thing. You have to press this once and then another time. And we're missing an important part, the screen. Okay, so for those of you who don't have a drone yet or don't know how it works, it's pretty simple. You connect your phone, and then you simply enter the app and then you connect the drone. Our little buddy is ready. I really like to launch from my hand. Wow. It simply floats like this. Okay, apparently there are little GPS signal and the drone was strafing by himself and took that tree over there. So now I'm recalibrating the IMU, I don't know what it is. The procedure says 96%. Hopefully it's not broken. Let's see. It was a nice flight, pretty risky because the area is very short, it's very small, and I also hit one bush, but nothing happened. Luckily, I only had to recalibrate the sensors, and I'm so curious to take a look at how do they look.
Yeah.
Come with me.
Yeah.
footage is very nice. We took just a few seconds of aerial views of this guest house for Daniela's vlog. And I'm just showing you something about the drones. But if you like to learn and to know more about drones and how to fly, yeah, my name, how I learned to fly. But it's not for the drone reason, actually. I may explain it in another video. I think it's everything for today, so thank you for watching, and I will post more videos. Let me know any subject, anything you would like to see. Give me some suggestions of what I may vlog about, and see you in the next one.